SYMA plans to build a digital factory for the production of residential and commercial modules at its Fürstenwalde site. This presentation provides a complete overview of the personnel requirements for all phases of the production setup, from startup operations to international scaling. A phased expansion is planned. Production will start in 2 shifts, one of which will be staffed by Ukrainian employees for export to Ukraine. At full capacity, the expansion will be to 3 shifts, requiring up to 160 employees. The organization is structured along the production processes, from raw material delivery through manufacturing, assembly, testing, and logistics. Management and specialist staff are organized in a lean, process-oriented model. Machine setters, plant operators, and module assemblers are needed in production. We are also looking for technical staff with electrical engineering expertise for process monitoring and maintenance. In the logistics and warehousing department, specialists are employed for receiving, picking, packing, and shipping. Digital warehouse management systems form the backbone of the factory's supply chain. Quality assurance requires inspectors and documentation specialists. They ensure compliance with construction and regulatory standards, as well as the traceability of all components. Reinforcement is also required in the area of assembly and connection techniques, for example for wall and ceiling elements as well as window and door installation in prefabrication. Commercial employees are also scheduled for administrative tasks such as personnel management, production planning, purchasing, and customer communication. The molding production configuration is based on digital lines with supporting human-machine interaction. Ergonomically designed workstations and modular stations promote productivity and quality. Production is carried out in modules, bodyshell, technical finishing, final assembly, and packaging. Each unit is managed with clearly assigned teams and interfaces to quality assurance, logistics, and administration. Dieter Vetter, Product Development Engineer at SYMA, is available for any questions or detailed information. We look forward to applications, partnerships, and joint efforts in building this future-proof manufacturing platform.